Fun. Hello, governor. It's a pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Fuck.
Listen to it. It's not like anyone actually recorded it. They just use like the text-to-speech thing. It sounds hilarious.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. That sounds fucking horrible.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Alright, Nick, let's do
Pepperoni.
this.
Pepperoni.
It's like one of those situations where if you say it enough, it's weird.
Pepperoni.
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 Pepperoni?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
I still like that. I still like that scene in Glorious Bastard. This guy. You know the very last scene. The guy speaks no Italian whatsoever. He fucking speaks perfect Italian.
Yeah, I remember that.
It's so fucking funny. Margariti.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Margariti.
Wait a minute. Am I thinking of the right movie? I think.
Mi scusi. Mi scusi.
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 Ecco, scusa-moi.
That sounds like pepperoni.
Margariti.
Pepperoni.
Margariti? No. Margariti. It's okay.
Macarena.
Good die.
Oh, Willie, you should never bring up the early 2000s ever. That time did not
How's that
exist.
song go again? God damn it. And how's the dance go?
I'm not. No.
I tried to search it on YouTube and it came up with an error again.
God damn it.
What does pepperoni sound like? An error occurred. Please try again later.
That's what it sounds like. An error occurred. Please try again later. Pepperoni.
There should be like a rhyming machine or something.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Shit.
Which one, Dakota?
Maybe it's the rain.
Oh, no.
Because it actually rained for once.
The Karab or the Genichi?
You know what pepperoni? Yeah, hey, actually, you know what pepperoni sounds like?
Your mom?
The Kirov, probably. Oh no! I just got spotted. What the fuck, Willie?
I hope you're recording it.
I am.
It's like, oh my god.
Cool. Minakaze.
Willie, you
Pepperoni.
always crack me. I'm like crying right now because it's so goddamn funny. It's like, oh my god.
Oh, I just detonated him.
Oh, Dakota,
My mind.
Dakota,
What happened?
turn.
I'm turning.
Forklift is fucking.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh, thank you, babe. Thank you for taking all those shots.
Oh. Ow. Ow.
Forklift is rethinking his life choices.
Oh my god.
Do that on a daily basis. Keeps up your health.
Hey guys, that's how I suck my dick.
I don't need your help. I can do it
When we
myself.
first watched that, we were like daring people to be like, first time you ever have sex, just do that.
Oh my god. Like, oh my god.
And then when you're done, you need to lick the hot sauce off your fingers.
If she screams that after I do that, I'm gonna like just quit.
I don't care, dude. I don't care how good of a game or how bad of a game this is. This is getting put on YouTube. I don't even give a shit.
You know what? When I have sex, and when I climax, you know what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna scream, Bob,
Jamaica.
no!
Bah! And boom goes dynamite.
This is why I'm still a virgin.
Just
I'm
scream
like,
out Hiroshima.
Bob Dole. What the fuck?
Bob Dole. Bob
Scream out
Dole.
Hiroshima and drop the bomb.
I did already. August 9th, 1945.
What are you, 900 years old?
Of course.
Little girl.
I am. I'm really a lolly in disguise, guys.
Right? 990 years old.
You need the hot sauce in the coffee to survive.
Of course. Admire my lolly tits, bitches.
You know what,
You
Nick?
need
I
to cover them
probably
in hot
would.
sauce.
I know you would, you fucking queer.
I'm sorry. This life chose me. I didn't choose it myself.
I feel so bad for Phil right now. He's probably like, what the fuck did I get myself into?
Right?
You see me drunk, Phil, but you haven't seen me wasted.
Or as a lolly.
Or as a lolly.
Or as a lolly with dicks.
Soon.
Soon. I'm gonna rape you soon.
Only if you can afford those tickets.
Oh, how about you just SK? You want it, don't you?
Yeah. Fucking forklift. Oh my god. I'm
We
sorry.
all want it.
He wants it. He wants a dick.
Oh, I just got to
I'm
do it
just playing
again.
games right now.
I'm down,
Hey,
Nick.
he's like, I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna say yes.
He wants you to yell Pillsbury Doughboy to him stuckily.
Woohoo!
Hey, Will. Pillsbury Doughboy. Does that turn you on? Does that turn you on? You dirty son of a bitch.
Take me now.
Take me
Oh
now.
yeah. I've convinced the other Nick.
You didn't need to convince me. I was already on the floor.
They're gonna cap the shit out of us.
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Been ready
man.
since the day I first laid eyes on you.
Dakota, I really hope you're recording this.
Oh, I am.
conversation.
I am.
Oh fuck.
Come here, you
Oh,
sweet hot
turd.
sauce lolly.
I have been at full stop this entire time.
No shit.
Yep.
Nice.
It's funny how well that actually works, because everyone aims in front of you, because you can't actually really tell if someone's stopped or not.
Yeah, right?
Apparently
Done
I
that
got
on
the
numerous
full...
occasions.
I fucking love that. I always see Nick's like, I'm on the floor.
I'm on the floor already, baby.
Goddamn, you're getting good at killing mountains, Nick.
Yep, I fucked them fucking gook mountains up.
Fuck yeah. When that New Mexico decides to fire you, that's gonna really hurt.
Yeah, whatever, fuck him. He
Alright.
didn't know what's coming.
I changed my name.
Hot sauce lolly, I like it.
Hot sauce lolly.
Brown chicken
Look
brown.
what you've done to me.
Just watch out for the chemical burns.
You want my penis, don't you?
He just a tip. He just wants just a tip.
Whole
Don't
thing.
get
Put it
to
in one
tip, 'cause
side,
I
let
have
it
no
come out
idea
the
how to
other.
use my penis. Come on, motherfucker. I'm gonna fucking fuck this Kirkov. I'm gonna fuck this communist fuck up. Hang on. I got
Kirkov?
it. The Kirkov. Yeah!
Yeah!
Fuck you, you communist fuck. I got you.
Oh, it's good thing I got the vodka in here too, dude. This is great.
Fuck your vodka. America wins always.
Hey, dude,
I
it's,
have
it's
water.
Smirnoff vodka. It's basically American.
Aussie
Fucking
Nick wants
water.
to get tied up.
Oh, I tie him up. I tie him up with American freedom.
Cover me in your American hot sauce.
Nick.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Grab-
yeah.
Grab
And
the
your
whip, I'll
slave
turn the
coffee
spit.
beans.
I don't need the whip. I got him under my command already.
Hi, Captain.
Jesus Christ.
I'll say it louder.
Aye, Captain.
Now smack my ass and call me a bitch.
We
Oh,
need a Cat B right now.
oh yeah.
Hey,
So we put this on YouTube. This is the reason why North Korea banned YouTube.
This is one of the reasons.
you know what? You want to know why they banned North Korea? On the internet? Because they're too communist.
Why they
free
banned
enough.
North Korea?
Shut the fuck up, Jimmy.
They
Really?
do.
No one's memes shall be greater than anybody else's. We are all equal.
We are all socialist
Communism.
pigs. We are all socialist.
Get the fuck out
No.
of here.
Oh no, dude, fuck. It's
Dude,
dim-
that Nagato got fucked up.
There's a destroyer getting ready to make a run on him.
It's not Nagato, it's Nagat. Gone.
Naruto got fucked up.
Naruto got
Yeah.
fucked up.
He already did when he was drawn the first time.
God damn you.
You know whose profile picture is Naruto? This faggot right here.
Yeah, he knows.
I know everything.
Stalker. That destroyer's gonna fuck you up if you don't kill him.
Nah, he's gonna die. Oh,
Turn
I
left,
got
turn
him.
left, turn left, and kill your
I
engines.
got him. I got him. I got him, son.
Yeah! There you go. Okay, you're good. You're clear.
Suck my
Yay.
German dick, you Jap fuck.
Okay.
Okay.
I fucking win.
Don't need to ask me twice.
Oh my god.
I'll dive into that like I did into the pool of a diving board.
Ow, that had to hurt.
Yeah, that hurt a lot.
There it
I
went.
have even more.
Doesn't matter. I cut the destroyer. I win. I got 2 kills, dude. Drunk as fuck. I don't fucking care. I win. I win the game.
I win the game. Hey, dude, I detonated somebody, so I'm happy. I haven't detonated anybody all night. I fucking magazine hit him.
The fact that I killed anybody this drunk is fucking amazing. I really hope you're recording this.
Oh, I am, dude. I am. I'll put it on. I'll set it for upload tonight if you want me to, and I won't edit it or nothing. I'll just put it straight on.
I don't care. I didn't say nigger. Oh, wait. There it goes.
It just happened.
I said
Never
nigger.
happened. Never happened.
It-
Don't worry about it.
Nanking never
Illumina-
happened.
Illuminati confirmed, motherfuckers.
Just put an age restriction and what is it? Sensitive faggots
Yeah,
warning on the
yeah,
video.
Put age restrictions black.
Angry.
Can't do this.
And a sensitive faggots restriction. I need one of those.
The fact I'm listening to the video with Veronica is like, set age restrictions to black. It's just funny as fuck.
Yes, yes it is.
The enemy is about to win.
Up
I
to
am
the
a suck up
destroyer.
and you will be sucked up.
Willie does the best fucking. Oh my
In
god!
sync. In sync. 1, 2, 3.
Masterpiece.
I don't think you're supposed to sound like a computer fan. You might want to get that checked out.
Really?
Okay.
It's not how sucking in. No forklift. I don't think sucking in is supposed to sound like a computer fan.
And we lose.
Yeah,
Don't care.
forklift.
Oh.
Yeah, it's supposed to sound like this.
Willie sounds the best at sucking dick. I don't know why.
Years
Yeah,
of
a lot of
experience,
practice,
probably.
Like I just can't replicate it.